welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories, and today we are talking about Iskim Sam, guys. Yabona-ke izinto-ke zishubile between uMapitsi kanye-ke noKamo no DJ Thomas. DJ Thomas kodwa bwase ngazuthi-ke yena akekho kakhulu because akamazi uKamo ukuthi udangerous-ke kanjani. Well, guys, uMapitsi is trying ukuthi-ke inkampani noma-ke i-radio station leyana ingamqashi uKamo, but bwase ngazuthi-ke all her plans ngeke aze ahambe kahle njengoba sizokuthiwa-ke umsebenzi omusha usefikile-ke laphana-ke kwi-radio station le abayisebenzelayo. Kusho ukuthi uKamo noMapitsi bazosebenza-ke ndawonye. Inhloso-ke kaKamo ukuthi ufuna ukum-expose uMapitsi, ufuna ukum-expose ukuthi-ke uyacheat. Uzamile ukuthi athi hayi cha awubonanga kahle, kodwa wathi hayi cha ngiyayazi-ke mina-ke into-ke engiyibonile. Guys, umbuzo engiyibuza wona-ke ukuthi-ke maqala storyline lesi uTipos uye wathenga-ke sithunya isibhamu sokudubula sokubulala. So I'm asking myself ukuthi-ke ubani lo uTipos azogcina-ke emdubulile, ngabe uMapitsi noma-ke uDJ Thomas, or kuzokwenzekalani-ke guys? And I just pray ukuthi-ke angadubuli umuntu bakithi ngoba phela mengasadubula umuntu kusho ukuthi uzohambe-ke ayoboshwa, uMapitsi-ke asale yedwa-ke ney'ngane. Guys, uTipos uyindodana kaMacky. uMacky wake washaya isibhamu vele wadubula lapha koMaNtuli ngesikhathi kuphuma indaba zokuthi uMaNtuli wazala-ke uGwato emzala-ke kuNtate Maputla. So nje I'm scared, guys, ukuthi hey ngiyazibuza ukuthi lesibhamu lesi lokho sivela la sizodubula sibulale bani between uMapitsi kanye-ke no-DJ Thomas. Like uMapitsi, guys, she is crazy in love, and kwase ngazuthi even after uKamo babambile, but they'll continue dating, they'll continue betshelana ngama-feelings abo ukuthi bazizwa kanjani. Like it's like uMapitsi ukhohliwe ukuthi yena unyithi ke musadi wamuntu. Right? So yeah, guys, like please do comment on the comment section. Usho ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi lesibhamu lesi ngoba lesibhamu lesi vele sizodubula umuntu, guys. So ucabanga ukuthi ubani lo ozodutshulwa ukuthi uTipos ngalesibhamu lesi asithengile esingekho-ke emthethweni elo sivela. So guys, yeah, do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.